Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to create a notebook in Canva. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official Canva website right here at canva.com if you haven't already, and after opening it up guys, you'll be greeted by the main page right here, and the first thing we want to do is go ahead and log into our account. So here in the upper right corner is going to be the sign in button that you can use. If you do not already have an account, you can just go ahead and create a new one, and after logging in you'll be greeted by the home page right here where we can find all the options we can access. Here we can find our projects and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to get started creating a notebook. The first thing you want to do guys is use the create option right here in the upper right corner, create a design, and you can get started creating a presentation or something similar. But guys, to do this you have to be very creative. You have to add your images, you have to add your text, all to look like a good notebook. So what we can do is just go ahead and use somebody else's design that already created one. So as you can see, here is a search option there where you can search on options on Canva and all the designs people have made. So we can go ahead and search for notebook. So let's go ahead and search for notebook guys, and this is going to go ahead and give us all the notebook templates by other people that they have created. As you can see, here is a lot of options. So as you can see, black and white kitty notebook, and this is all the options that you can use, and you can just go ahead and access any of them and use them for yourself as your personal notebook, as other people have already created right here. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.